Welcome to the best picks. The best granite is probably one of the most sought-after natural stones for countertops and surfaces, renowned for its unparalleled beauty, durability, and unique patterns that can transform any kitchen or bathroom into a luxurious masterpiece, offering a timeless appeal that resists heat, scratches, and stains, making it a practical yet elegant choice for busy households and discerning homeowners alike who value both aesthetics and long-lasting performance in their living spaces. Number 5. Weiman Fine Jewelry Cleaner Liquid. Bring back the sparkle and shine to your cherished gold, platinum, and precious gemstone jewelry. This gentle formula effectively removes dirt and buildup, making your pieces look like new. Using it is simple. Just place your jewelry in the tray, let it soak, and rinse. A quick buff with a soft cloth reveals its restored luster. Everyday products can dull your jewelry's shine over time. Our cleaner penetrates the intricate details to remove residue and revive its original brilliance. This cleaner is specially formulated to be safe for your valuable gemstones, including diamonds, sapphires, rubies, and emeralds. It cleans without causing harm. Please note, this product is not intended for silver jewelry or organic gemstones like pearls or opals. For silver, we recommend our specialized silver cleaning products. Perfect for wedding and engagement rings, bracelets, earrings, and necklaces. It restores the beauty of your most treasured pieces in minutes. What we like. This cleaner is designed to bring back the sparkle to your most cherished pieces. It gently removes everyday grime without harming precious metals or gemstones. If you have fine jewelry that has lost its luster and you want to restore its like-new condition, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The granite is beautiful and has a unique pattern. It was easy to clean and maintain. The installation was professional and efficient. Number 4. Weiman Disinfectant Granite Daily Clean and Shine. Introducing our new disinfecting formula. It effectively kills 99.9% of germs and bacteria on hard, non-porous surfaces in just 1 minute. This cleaner offers superior performance across various surfaces. Use it on countertops, floors, sinks, tubs, and more for a thorough clean. It is safe for non-porous sealed surfaces like granite, marble, and glazed tile. Keep your kitchen and bathroom areas clean and protected. Maintain a safe home environment by eliminating harmful bacteria, germs, and dirt. It not only cleans but also leaves surfaces shining. Weiman is a brand you can trust for your home's delicate surfaces. Clean, protect, and enjoy your living space with confidence. What we like. This product offers a powerful disinfecting clean for your granite surfaces. It effectively eliminates germs and bacteria while leaving a beautiful shine. If you are looking for a way to keep your kitchen and bathroom countertops both hygienic and looking their best, this daily cleaner is an excellent option. What people say. The granite is beautiful and has a unique pattern. The installation was professional and the team was very efficient. The finished product looks amazing and has added significant value to my kitchen. Number 3. Weiman Stainless Steel Cleaner and Polish Kit. Introducing the Weiman Stainless Steel Cleaner and Polish Kit. Achieve a brilliant, streak-free shine on all your stainless steel surfaces with ease. Tired of constant smudges? This powerful formula actively repels fingerprints, keeping your appliances looking pristine for longer. It effortlessly cuts through tough grease, water spots, and other stubborn residues. Restore the natural beauty of your metal surfaces. Experience a flawless finish without any streaks or residue. Just a clean, polished look that enhances your kitchen's aesthetic. This convenient kit comes complete with a premium microfiber cloth. It's everything you need for a perfect polish in one package. Our tetrachloroethylene, PCE, free formula ensures a safe yet effective cleaning experience. Polish your chrome and other metals with confidence. What we like. This kit is specifically formulated to tackle the challenges of stainless steel surfaces. It effectively removes smudges, grease, and water spots without leaving streaks. If you want your stainless steel appliances to look pristine and new, this cleaner and polish kit is ideal for maintaining a spotless finish. What people say. The granite is very durable and resistant to scratches and stains. The color and pattern of the granite are beautiful and add a luxurious feel to the kitchen. The installation process was smooth and the finished product looks amazing. Number 2. Weiman Granite and Stone Cleaner 3-in-1. Introducing the Weiman Granite and Stone Cleaner 3-in-1. It's designed to tackle grease, stains, and watermarks effectively. Achieve a brilliant, streak-free finish with its advanced formula. It leaves your surfaces looking immaculate. Our stain shield technology actively protects against future marks. Keep your stone looking pristine for longer. This cleaner is safe to use on a variety of stone types. It's perfect for marble, quartz, tile, granite, quartzite, and slate. Experience the ultimate in stone care with this powerful 3-in-1 cleaner. It simplifies your cleaning routine while delivering exceptional results. What we like. This cleaner provides a comprehensive solution for various stone surfaces, including granite and marble. Its advanced formula tackles tough stains and watermarks while preventing future ones. If you need a reliable cleaner that leaves no streaks and offers long-lasting protection for your natural stone countertops, this 3-in-1 product is a great fit. What people say. The granite is very durable and resistant to scratches and stains. The color and pattern of the granite are beautiful and add a touch of elegance to the kitchen. The installation process was smooth and professional, with the team ensuring a perfect fit. Number 1. Weiman Disinfectant Granite Daily Clean and Shine, 2-pack. Introducing Weiman Disinfectant Granite Daily Clean and Shine. It's designed to keep your countertops looking their best, every single day. Safely clean and disinfect a variety of stone surfaces including granite, marble, and quartz. It effectively removes grime without causing damage. Achieve a brilliant shine with minimal effort. This formula not only cleans but also enhances the natural beauty of your surfaces. Each pack comes with a polishing cloth, perfect for buffing surfaces to a streak-free finish. Get a complete cleaning solution in one convenient package. Make daily cleaning a breeze. This product is your go-to for maintaining a hygienic and beautiful kitchen or bathroom environment. It works wonders on granite, marble, soapstone, quartzite, slate, limestone, corian, laminate, and tile. Enjoy versatile cleaning power for all your countertop needs. What we like. This pack offers a dual approach to maintaining your stone countertops, ensuring they are clean, disinfected, and beautifully shiny. It's safe for a wide range of materials, making it versatile for your home. If you're seeking a convenient solution to keep various hard surfaces in your kitchen and bathroom looking great and germ-free, this disinfecting cleaner set is a practical choice. What people say. The granite is beautiful and looks very high-end. The installation was professional and the installers were very careful. The granite is very durable and has held up well to daily use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.